Alright, what's guys, keeping coded, and you guys are actually the worst. Basically, what a lot of you have been telling me to do is to get the GAN Robot 2.0 and race it. Now here's the thing, I suck at 3x3, like I average around 11 seconds, this thing can solve it in 5 seconds every single time, so I don't really know what you guys expect to happen. You know, obviously I'm going to get destroyed, maybe you guys like watching that, I don't know. But anyways, we're going to be going against it in a head-to-head race, so let's get right into it. So how this competition is going to work is that we're going to be doing a best out of 3 rounds. Each round will be best out of 5, so if you win 3 solves, then you win the entire round, and then if you win 2 rounds, then you win the entire competition. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Anyways, first solve, same scramble on both cubes as always. So both cubes are scrambled, ready, and go. Obviously that was my 5-second scramble, or in this case I did it in 3 seconds, so go me. Yeah, we're not going to count that one unfortunately. Let's get into the actual first solve now. Go. What? Okay, I literally just finished like the first pair and it was already done. That wasn't even that bad of a solve for me. I got an 11.4, but I don't even know how fast this GAN robot was. Okay, you know what? If I could get 3 pairs done before this thing is done solving the entire thing, I would be very happy with that. Alright, next solve. Solve number 2. Ready and go. I think I actually did that. Oh my god. Yeah, so pretty good solve for me. I got a 10.5, and I actually solved a decent amount of the cube before this GAN robot was done. So, you know, although I didn't actually win the solve, I still feel pretty good about myself. Alright, solve number 3. If the GAN robot wins this one, then it wins this entire round. So let's just get straight into it. I've actually been solving pretty okay for myself, but, you know, against the original robot, that would be fine, but against this robot, that's not enough. Yeah, like 12 seconds solve for me, and the GAN robot wins this round. Alright, round number 2, and let's get right into this just completely unpredictable competition. Oh my god, I accidentally like put the MGC inside the GAN robot, and I was like wondering why it wasn't working. Ready, set, go. Okay, I finished 3 pairs before the GAN robot finished, so go me. Alright, that's already 1 for the robot, 1 lost for me. Ooh, I actually was like on OLL by then. Holy, okay, that's a great solve for me. I got an 8.9. Wow, that's actually kind of fast. But not fast enough to beat the GAN robot, but I'll take it. Alright, so when the GAN robot wins this solve, it wins the entire round. And since that's the second round it's won, it wins the entire competition. I like how I'm saying when the GAN robot wins. Like, it's happening, but oh well, okay. I've actually been solving really well for myself, so there's just, you know, there's a personal win for me. Well, okay, I inserted a pair wrong. Gotta go all the way back. Okay, there you go. Sub 20, guys. Alright, well anyways, that concludes this competition. I don't know what you guys expected to happen. You know, obviously, I'm going to get smoked by the GAN robot. So before we end the video, I just want to take a little bit of time to talk about today's sponsor. So obviously, it's a new year, 2020, or I guess a new decade or whatever. And what better way to start off the year than improving yourself as a person and learning a new skill through Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives. So whether you want to learn how to do video production, you know, video editing, or you want to learn graphic design, basically anything that you would want to learn, Skillshare has got you covered. Members get unlimited access to thousands and thousands of amazing classes, and most of them are under 60 minutes, so no matter how busy your schedule, you will always find time to learn something new. As for my personal experience with Skillshare, it has been amazing. As a lot of you guys might know, I still use iMovie to edit every single one of my videos, and sometimes that gets really limiting, so I recently got Premiere Pro, and I've been trying to learn how to use the software. So all I had to do is go on Skillshare, search up Premiere Pro, and I found like hundreds of lessons. It was amazing. I clicked the first one, and I learned it after like an hour. So anyways, click the link in the description for 2 free months of Skillshare Premium. Start off the decade on a high note and explore creativity. Alright, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.